Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Vastu grid at home. A Vastu grid, also known as a Vastu Purusha mandala, is a powerful diagram used to harmonize your living space. It's typically a grid of 81 squares, each representing specific energies and deities. By aligning your home with these ancient principles, you can enhance positive energy, improve well-being, and foster a more peaceful environment. This guide will help you understand and apply these concepts easily. To begin creating your Vastu grid, you'll need a few simple tools. First, obtain a scaled floor plan of your home. This is crucial for accuracy. Next, a good quality compass is vital to find true magnetic north, as even a small deviation of 2 or 3 degrees can affect your results. You'll also need a measuring tape, a long ruler, and a pencil or marker to draw your grid lines. Having these items ready ensures a smooth process. Now, let's map your home's energies. Start by finding the geometric center of your house plan. You can do this by drawing diagonal lines from corner to corner. Where they intersect is your center point. Next, use your compass at this center to accurately mark magnetic north on your plan. Draw a line from the center to north. Then, divide your entire floor plan into a grid of 9 by 9 squares, resulting in 81 equal sections. This forms your Vastu Purusha mandala. With your Vastu grid drawn, you can now harmonize your living space. Each of the 81 squares represents different energies. The central 9 squares, called the Brahmastan, are considered the heart of the home and should ideally be kept open. For optimal energy, place your kitchen in the southeast, aligning with the fire element. Master bedrooms are best in the southwest for stability. Remember to keep the northeast clean and open, as it attracts positive energy and wisdom. These adjustments can significantly enhance your home's balance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.